Welcome to our innovation lab known as the Cougar Den, a safe learning space to learn and grow. This is where you'll find innovative technology and state-of-the-art equipment for you to apply hands-on learning that transcends the traditional classroom. We encourage you to explore and find your pathway to excellence, where you can be leaders and change makers in our world. At the Cougar Den, exciting extracurricular opportunities that align with college and career readiness awaits you.
So my favorite part about working with robots, you get to learn computer coding or computer language. To me, that's amazing. The fact that we can command a computer to do something that we want it to do. It's actually a lot of fun. It makes you be a better problem solver. You use mathematics, you use technology, you use computers. You have to use your scientific thinking in order to be able to command these machines to do the right thing.
This is a sound booth, and we are going to use it to create amazing opportunities for the kids to tell their stories and their perspectives on the world, and they will be able to create vlogs and podcasts and relevant sound bites that are important to them.
Coding's really awesome because it has a lot to do with math. As a math teacher, I'm really excited to connect you guys with the logical reasoning that ties so closely into mathematics and prepare you guys to possibly take computer science, AP Computer Science once you get into high school, and also give you endless opportunities for your career in the future.
We're going to have a lot of learning going on around the drones, not only about different career paths that students can take. There's lots of things happening in the professional world about drones, let alone the actual fun drone racing part, where we get to zip and loop around obstacles and compete against some of our other schools here in the district.
By replacing your outside world with a virtual one, these virtual reality headsets will give you the opportunity to be in new environments and to explore your interests. So get ready, Cougars, because at NCMS, you will experience what you're learning.
In addition to our drone racing, we also have esports that I'm in charge of here at Nellie Kaufman Middle School. And much like the drone racing, we're excited because we're going to have esport competitions between ourselves and some of the other middle schools. So we have lots of fun and exciting games, lots of opportunities for students to have some fun and some fun competition.
Robotics is so important for students because technology is everywhere. Students will get an advantage in high school and in college and learn about different careers and technologies that is everywhere. STEM is such an important component for academics, and when students are doing robotics, they are challenging themselves, they're working together, they're creating programs, and they're learning from their mistakes.
Here at Nellie Kaufman Middle School, we foster a learning environment where students can apply their knowledge of science, technology, engineering, the arts, and mathematics. We can't wait to celebrate your accomplishments and successes. Thank you.